Hello, this is Va Yang, and this is Week 8 JS5 Object-Oriented Programming homework assignment. So going right to what I need to do is to use at least one array, use at least two classes, and your menu should have the options to create, view, and delete element. So going to the array, I do have the array here at this.anime recommendations as an array. And two classes, I have class recommendation in the class menu, which is the menu app itself. And then under the menu, I should be able to create, view, and delete elements. So here it is, create. Okay, so create anime recommendation, view anime recommendations, and then delete anime recommendation. So now I'm going to go into a little bit deeper dive into my code. And so with the class recommendation, pretty much the constructor is anime title. So whenever they enter in an anime title, it's part of the recommendation. Now, with the menu class, anime recommendations as an array, like I mentioned earlier. And I wanted this selected anime recommendation to be equal to null, since when we start, nothing is selected. Now going over to the method to start up my application and show these selections. So when my application starts up, I will be able to see these different selections right here. Okay, so create, view, delete. Of course, I can enter in 0 to exit, such as right here. If I entered in 0, then I'm going to exit, and it's going to alert goodbye. So looking at my program methods, going over the main menu options first, which is pretty much showing that selection. And then these are the prompts 0, 1, 2, 3. And you can see exit, create new anime recommendation, view all anime recommendations, and delete anime recommendation. And next here is when we look at the anime recommendation, I created that right here. And so anime title is equal to the prompt. So I want them to enter in the anime title. And then once they enter that in, it's going to get pushed into the recommendation array. So anime recommendations array. Okay, and then the next part is to view the list of anime recommendations. So I have it as a blank string. So you can see that right here. And I'm starting at index 0. All right, so this will allow me to view it starting at index 0. And you can see that right here. And then finally, deleting an anime recommendation. I use that with .spice parentheses index comma 1. This means that I'm just going to be removing only one element at that index. And so I have that right here. Okay. Of course, I have this ready so I can start up the menu app and kind of go through it to see if everything works well. And I forgot to mention, this actually homework assignment is tied into my week 1 HTML and week 2 CSS assignments because it was about anime as well. So going right over to the test. So you can see this is the menu app. If I were to press 0, it's going to say goodbye. So that works. Refresh. Now I'm going to create new anime recommendation. So 1. So I'm going to say Dragon Ball. First one and 2. 2, that's the view. I'm going to add another one, 2 more. Attack on Titan and Demon Slayer. So now I can view that and you can see 0, 1, 2, and Dragon Ball, Attack on Titan, Demon Slayer. Now I want to see if deleting works. So I'm going to press 3 and I'm going to just delete 0. And then now I'm going to see the anime recommendations list again, 2. So I can see that deleting does work and I have Attack on Titan and Demon Slayer. All right, and that looks like everything works well. 0 to exit. And that's all I have for my week 8 JS5 homework assignment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.